Welcome watching installation video. Tools preparation. Please prepare these tools before installing the machine tool. Remove the door fixing screws. The door will be fixed before the machine is shipped. The fixing screws of the door are on the top of the machine door. Loosen the fixing screws and the machine door can move. Remove transport fixing bracket. First, loosen the fixed bracket in front of the tailstock so that it is not connected to the front end. Then start to adjust the level of the screw feet. First, tighten the screws here for screw feet. Then loosen here by tapping. And finally forcefully adjust it. Check the electrical box. Open the right cover door behind the machine. Check if there are any foreign objects in it. Please clean it up promptly if there are any. Check if all circuits are properly connected. Inject hydraulic oil. Install screw feet first. Add 2 barrels of 68小时 hydraulic oil to the refueling port. Connect this main output oil pipe here and tighten it. This main return oil pipe is connected here and tightened. The return part of the spindle oil cylinder is connected to this transparent pipe. There are plastic rings inside. Lock them together. This pipe is connected to here. After connecting the wires, turn on this switch. Then press the hydraulic station switch and the water pump switch. Check if there is any pressure here. If there isn't, swap any 2 wires. Electrical connection. Connecting 3 main wires.
它如果第一次怼不对的话，会不会一开始就会烧电了？不会啊。哦，这样啊。
它相位不对，它没有压力的。
哦，就是。
这条是 B 线。
Don't forget to connect the ground wire.
这条是 B 线，你要标，比如说这是接 B 的。
Make sure all wires and ground wires are connected. Make sure cover door is closed. Turn on the power and run the machine. Check whether the instrument pressure is normal. If the pressure is abnormal, the signal light will give a warning in red. Cut off the power of the machine and shut it down. Cut off the power to the switch. Reposition the main wire.
不是，它是接法不同。
Adjust the position. Don't forget the ground wire. Turn on the power. Make sure the machine door is closed. Radiator is in operation. Turn on the power and check the machine. Check the instrument pressure again. Now instrument pressure is normal. Then install the chuck foot switch and connect it to this place. The pressure of the chuck usually needs to be more than 25 kg. It can be adjusted here. The pressure of the turret usually, no need to adjust. This is the pressure of the tailstock. It only need adjust little to allow the tailstock to move. The total pressure here usually needs to be above 25 kg. If it is too low, the turret wheel cannot rotate. Install the chuck. The transfer disc is factory pre-tuned. To ensure accuracy, please recalibrate once more. If the machine doesn't install the transition disc, please skip. Take off the chuck jaws. Hoisting. Keep the chuck clean. Take off the water baffle. Use the chuck key to secure the lid screw onto the chuck. Secure the chuck onto the transfer disc using screws. Use the appropriate tool rubber mallet. Tap the chuck to adjust it to the required accuracy. The chuck debugging is completed. Lock the chuck using code emboss as an assist. Adjustment. The turret balance. Place the level on the spindle or tailstock. Spindle position and check. The machine is not in flat condition yet. Level the machine by adjusting the machine feet. Ensure a horizontal alignment within 0.05 mm in the z-axis direction. X-axis alignment should have no significant tilt. There are a total of 9 machine feet. Install the decorative panel. As shown in the video, tighten the screws on both sides and the bottom. The screw hole at the bottom.
差不多就行了。
There are screw holes on the back of the panel. The water pump is installed in here. This is the power interface. Connect the two hoses of the water pump like this. There is a sealing ring inside. Do not lose it. Observe the direction of the water pump. And the chip to follow the direction indicated by the chip conveyor. Install and remove driven tool. Confirm the position of the driven tool number. Remove the waterproof cover plate. Clean the installation surface. Power on the hose and water will light on if machine is running. Ensure the installation of the driven tool seal ring. Align the outlet hole with the outlet hole. Connect the align the tool head in the direction of the intended machining. Install the driven tool. Rotate the tool head to prevent jamming. Lock the screws using the diagonal method. Rotate the tool head again. Test the driven tool for proper operation. Remove the screws. Install the waterproof panel. If you are not installing a tool turret in the forward tool holder position, you should install the waterproof plug before installing the tool holder. Install full switch. Take off the full switch. Connect the signal terminal under the system board. Check the full switch signal. Now the full switch is connected.
Thanks
for watching. Enjoy.